Hello, everybody. I pray everyone's doing great out there and your health is thriving. And my health is the best it's ever been. I've been eating a raw vegan diet for many, many years and like over 25 years, feeling amazing. And people ask me, why do I take supplements if I'm feeling so great? And I mean, if I'm eating so great, my diet's so great, why do I take supplements? And I monitor my blood work to make sure what I'm doing is truly working for me, not just going on how I feel, because stimulation can be a very big uh, misleading factor. So I know a lot of people that are stimulated to feel great sometimes, but I literally feel amazing all the times. And the supplements I take not only based on my blood work, but on my diet. I take extra vitamin D, I take K2, I take vitamin B12. That's really mostly, I mean, I don't eat any cooked food at all. Some people might benefit from some enzyme supplementation or probiotic. So that's pretty much what I take in terms of supplements. There's a couple of other things, and I'll discuss that in another video. But one thing I take is really not a supplement. It's a whole food in a supplement form, and it's called Astaxanthin. And I am all about prevention, and I'm all about eating as healthy as I can to prevent any diseases as I get older and wiser. I want to make sure and do the best I could to assure that I'm going to stay as healthy for as long as possible. And inflammation is a wonderful marker to know where we're at with our health. That's why I recommend people take a test called the CRP, which is C-reactive protein. And it really tells you if there's inflammation in the body and explains a lot, because a healthy person shouldn't have much inflammation in the body. But inflammation today has become so common, and it's a big issue. That's why things that are anti-inflammatory in the foods, the things that have high antioxidants, are the things that's going to really help our body. And this astaxanthin is the best I've found, the highest food in antioxidants and in reducing inflammation, higher than turmeric. And for immunity, it's like 100 times or maybe 1,000 times stronger than vitamin C. And this is what you want, astaxanthin. And this is it's actually an algae. It's a liquid algae that comes from ponds and lakes. And it's a red algae. And it protects everything in the actual lake. And the only animals in nature that don't get cancer have this product in common. So you think about things like lobsters, and you think about things like pink flamingos. There's a pink tone that they have, and that's because they're swallowing this astaxanthin. I've made many videos about this product, and the testimonials keep coming in. But the greatest reason and way I know this is working is because people reorder it. If it wasn't working, they wouldn't do that. And people are reordering it. And if you have taken this and you have testimonials, please share them with me so I could help others realize how important this is. But if you haven't, I highly recommend it. So I'm going to put the link below the video, along with some other videos I did about this product. But besides the great diet I eat, the raw vegan diet, the most important thing I do on a regular basis with ingesting things is taking this astaxanthin. And I give it my full endorsement, and you won't be sorry if you're taking this. If you are just looking to prevent issues, but if you have issues, most people have inflammation going on, or anything like cancer, arthritis. This is wonderful for reducing the inflammation in the joints for arthritis, and it's wonderful for everything across the board. It's great for children to even take it, so I do recommend it. So if you have comments or questions, post them below the video. Have a great day, everybody, and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.